Every year I come to visit my son in Taiwan, and he lives in this local area. I normally stay for about 2 months, but because of the COVID-19, my flight got cancelled back to the UK. I should have returned last April, but I've been here ever since. About June or July I started rowing on the river hiking. I started looking at the plastic, and then I got talking to my friend, and together we started looking at the pollution in the river, the plastic pollution in the river, and thought we could do something about it. So we started collecting rubbish from the river. Because I couldn't stand to see it there, because it's just not fair. It's not fair on all the creatures that depend on the river for their living, you know.
We were very moved by what he told us. He said he was rowing near the edge of the mangrove swamp, and he saw a lot of garbage there. The government river cleanup crews had missed it, because when they're on the river, their boats are farther away. Only when you row a boat close to that area can you see the garbage. We felt this should not be his responsibility. Our friends have very suitable boats, so we came here together to remove the garbage.
I personally go out probably twice a week, and me and my friend go out twice a week. We probably do like a big day about once every 2 or 3 weeks, I should guess, something like that. We brought back bags and bags and bags, a massive amount, but it's getting better actually. Government have organised a short-term and a long-term plan, I believe, to tackle the problem over here. So there are many people involved. There are probably about 30 government people came the other day to look at the problem, and they've seen the problem, and I think that they are going to do something about it now, which is really good. For as long as I'm here, I'm going to continue to do this, which I have done. I've got more and more people involved now, and my boating friends here, they've got involved. They help us to. Well, we have days doing it, you know, and we organise days of rubbish collection days, and it's a great thing. And more and more people are seeing the problem, and I think if people take the time to look at the big problem, to look at the issues, work out how to sort it out, and get it done. And I think when I come out to Taiwan next time, I think it should be very much improved. I hope so anyway. It's not only Taiwan, it's the world. The world is full of plastic. It's full of plastic in the seas. There are millions of tons of plastic gets dumped in the seas every year. Every river has it, and it needs to be stopped at source. Can we please stop this plastic at source? Don't throw the plastic away. Recycle it, take it home. Don't use plastic. Use something different. When the COVID-19 disappears and it's back to normal, what can we do in the future? Yes, I think it's important for people to use the time to think about the future. The future is the most important thing. It's about protecting the whole of the earth.